everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So today we're building a retaining wall. So we got our equipment shed over here that we've been working on, and we're going to put a lean-to off this side. And so we made the flatten the gravel out here, and the gravel came over here. This is where this area over here where these blocks are is where I usually push snow in the winter. So I want to keep that at the same level as the lower driveway here so that it doesn't become an issue. So because of that, I want to put a retaining wall right here so that we don't get any gravel washing over into this side. It still holds up the integrity here. This lean-to doesn't move. And then I can also gravel right up to the retaining wall. These blocks will hold all this gravel, and then I can drive the tractor around the end of the lean-to if I want to be able to get around the back of the equipment shed. So, but yeah, more building, more stuff going on. So we are going to build this retaining wall and set these blocks in here and get it all compacted and set up good. So let's go. Let's make it happen. everybody, we got it. There we are. So these are probably not exactly straight, and they're not exactly perfect. Yeah, they're a little crooked here and there. They're tipped this way just a smidgen, but the excavator was tipped a little bit too because of the way the driveway is here. It wasn't exactly perfect, so it was hard to dig straight. So I had to actually build a berm here to pick the excavator up. But we got it. This is going to work out good because now those are retaining wall blocks. They're offset a little bit. I'll put this gravel in here, and we'll push all this in here, push that back, and then this can be nice and flat, and then the gravel will come down around here like this, and we'll have a flat area up there where the gravel is. The gravel can come down around, and it won't interfere. These blocks won't interfere with plowing in the wintertime because they're lined right up with the edge of the equipment shed. So, I mean, I could potentially get one more block and set it there if I wanted, or two more and dig another hole, and then, but I don't think I'm going to do that. So, I think we are much better off than we was. This will hold back that gravel. It'll keep stuff from washing out, keep it from messing up. It will, it'll make it a nice spot to plow by and not have to worry about issues with gravel and plowing and everything. I'm pleased with it. So I think we're good. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this little project, this little digging project. And if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video, and come back next time, because we always got something going on. We're always building something, and it's always something to do around here. So appreciate you guys stopping in. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.